Hello everyone, this is Jason. We're going to look at how to do some radicals with the square root of -1. So here we have a couple of examples like you'd see in your lesson. First one, basically what we have here is we just have the square root of -36. Remember, in this course, you now can take the square root of negative values. So basically what we're doing is we're thinking that this is -1 times 36. And we know that the square root of -1 now is I. So that's going to be what we use. So this will be 3, and then we'll bring these square roots out. So this will be this will be I, Mr. O, Jason. This will be I, and this will be 6. Okay, so this will be 18I. Okay, same thing for this. We've got -4, and we're breaking this down into -1 times 49. We know the square root of -1 is I. So this will be 4I. Square root of 49 is 7. And so that's going to simplify into 18I minus 28I, which will give us -10I. So that's all there is to that. Now this is not a perfect square root, but we still have a negative, so we can still factor, and we can still factor some perfect squares out of this. So again, we know that -1, the square root of -1 is I. And then what about 75? Well, 75 is 25 times 3. And I know the square root of 25, so that's 5. So I can pull those perfect squares out of the radical. So I'll have 5I, and then what's not a perfect square stays in the radical. And so that's it. So I hope this helps you with these in the lesson. If you still need help with these as you're working, please let me know, and I'll get you some additional resources.